Hey everyone, the Honor MagicBook Pro 16 is shaping up to be a very intriguing release, especially for users looking for a blend of high-end performance and refined design. Honor has announced that the new MagicBook Pro 16 will officially go on sale on April 30th. And ahead of the full launch, they have shared several key details that already paint a promising picture. Visually, the MagicBook Pro 16 maintains a simple yet sophisticated aesthetic. It comes with a silver finish and the word Hono prominently printed across the lid, a slight stylistic tweak from what we're used to seeing. The laptop has a slim profile, measuring about 0.8 inches thick, and weighs just under 4 pounds. This makes it portable enough for those who need power on the go, without the bulk typically associated with high-performance machines. Under the hood, the MagicBook Pro 16 looks serious about performance. It will use Honor's Turbo X technology alongside an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, making it suitable for demanding tasks like gaming, 3D rendering, and intensive video editing. Powering the system will be an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, likely Core Ultra 9 285H, one of Intel's latest and most capable mobile CPUs. Combined, the CPU and GPU will have a total thermal design power of 150 watts, suggesting the laptop will be able to sustain high levels of performance without throttling too quickly. Display and memory performance are other highlights of the device. The MagicBook Pro 16 will feature a 3K screen, likely a 16-inch IPS panel offering a resolution of 3772 by 1920 pixels. It is expected to deliver a peak brightness of around 500 nits, along with a high 165 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals, whether for gaming or creative work. The laptop will also take advantage of 8,000 million transfers per second memory speeds, which should help with faster data processing, better multitasking, and smoother system responsiveness overall. Honor is also emphasizing that the MagicBook Pro 16 will operate quietly even during heavy usage, although the real-world performance of the cooling system remains to be seen. In previous MagicBook models, fan noise was well managed, except when pushing the devices into their highest performance modes, so expectations are cautiously optimistic that Honor will deliver on this claim again. All details, including the full specifications and pricing, will be officially revealed at the launch event on April 30th. Based on the information provided so far, Honor MagicBook Pro 16 looks like a compelling option for users who want a strong combination of power, portability, and premium design in their next laptop. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.